In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get tick charts on Tradingview. If you've ever wanted to see price action based on trade activity rather than time, tick charts are perfect. Instead of updating every minute or every day, a tick chart updates after a set number of trades. That can help you spot momentum, microstructure, and entry points that a standard time-based chart might smooth over. Start by opening a chart for the symbol you want to analyze. You can use your watch list or the search bar to load a stock, future, or crypto pair, whatever you are focused on. Once the chart is up, make sure you are on the main chart window so your keyboard shortcuts and clicks apply to it. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the current time frame. This is the button that might say something like 1D, 5 meters, or 1 hour, depending on what you last used. Clicking it opens a menu of intervals. In that menu, look for the tick-based options. You'll see choices like 1T, 10T, 100T, and 1000T. The T stands for tick's number of trades. Choose the one that fits your style. A smaller tick setting such as 1T or 10T shows extremely fine detail and will update more frequently on active symbols. Larger settings like 100T or 1000T smooth the action a bit, and are often easier to read on less liquid markets or when you want a broader view. T here is also a faster way to get there. With the chart active, simply type the tick value, followed by the letter T on your keyboard. Then press Enter. For example, type 100T and hit Enter to jump straight to a 100 tick chart. If nothing happens, click once inside the chart area to ensure it's selected. Then try again. You'll know it worked when the timeframe label at the top shows your chosen tick value, such as 100T. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see tick options in the menu, it may be due to your plan, your data subscriptions, or the symbols exchange support. Tick charts are most informative when markets are active during quiet periods. They'll print fewer bars because fewer trades are happening. If the view feels too noisy, step up to a higher tick setting. If you need more detail, step down. And remember, you can zoom and pan just like on any other chart to analyze recent sequences of trades. That's all there is to it. Open your chart. Access the timeframe menu, pick a tick interval, or type it directly. With these simple steps, you'll be navigating tick charts on Tradingview with confidence.